Tesla chief executive Elon Musk is expected to visit China this week. Three people with knowledge of the matter said in what would be his first trip to the country in 3 years. Musk is expected to meet senior Chinese officials and to visit Tesla's Shanghai plant. Two of the sources who declined to be named said, though it was not immediately clear whom Musk would meet and what they would discuss. Media reported in March that Musk was planning a trip to China and seeking a meeting with Chinese Premier Li Qiang as early as April, with the exact timing subject to Li's availability. The trip to China, Tesla's second largest market after the United States, would come at a time when the electric car maker is grappling with multiple issues, including intensifying competition with Chinese automakers that are exporting their China-made electric vehicles as demand in the world's largest auto market weakens.